Hello friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita teacher. Students, open your EVS2 textbook, page number 20. Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthal man. One more stage of development in human evolution is Homo neanderthalensis. He was physically big and strong. He was so strong and physically fit. He is commonly known as Neanderthal man because his remains were first found at Neanderthal. Why this name had given him? Because his first remains, his remains were first found at Neanderthal, a place in Germany. Neanderthal is the place in the Germany. His brain was more developed than that of Homo erectus. See, as compared to Homo erectus, his brain was more developed. The primarily Neanderthals primarily lived in caves. They made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flax scraped off from them. Such tools were fixed on a bone or wooden shaft to make weapons like a spear, axe, etc. With the help of bone or wooden shaft, they made weapons like axe or spear. The Neanderthals hunted big animals and they were started hunting big animals. They used scrapers made from stone flakes to scrape meat from the hide of dead animals. They used leather clothing. They started using clothes made by leather. Leather means the skin of dead animals. They were mainly meat eaters. They were eating meat. They ate meat roasted on fire. They started the use of fire for cooking, but what they were cooking? Just they ate meat roasted on fire. Cooking means just they were roasting the meat on fire. They knew the art of making fire by rubbing sticks of hard wood on each other or by striking one flint stone on another to obtain sparks. They learned how to make the fire by rubbing sticks of hard wood on each or by striking one flint stone on another to obtain spark. It is likely that Neanderthals had developed some artistic skills. Some scientists believe that they also communicated with each other by producing grunts and other primary sounds. However, it is not known whether they had a developed language system to express their thoughts with the help of words. But it is not sure that with the help of words they were express their thoughts, but they had started communication by producing grunts or other primary sounds by sounds like as birds or like as cow. They were making sound and communicating with each other. When the member of the group died, the Neanderthals buried tools, horns, and etc. along with the dead body. After the death of a person, they dig the ground and they buried the dead body. But with that dead body, they buried tools and horns also. Also, they applied red ochre to the dead body before burying it. Before burying the dead body, they applied brown colored, that is ochre, to the dead body. It indicates that the Neanderthals had established some rituals of burying the dead. Rituals means what? Customs. Okay, some customs they were knowing. After the death, they followed it. After the death of the person, they followed the customs that is called as rituals. In the course of time, some groups of Neanderthals left Africa and migrated up to the continents of Europe and Asia. See, migration started that time. What is meant by migrate? Migration means in the search of food or in the search of job, we go from one place to another place and we settle there. That is called as migration. Same way, Neanderthals also left Africa and they migrated. They settled in the continent of Europe and Asia. Naturally, they had to face a different environment. Environment had changed because they changed the continents. They had to adopt new ways of living and finding food. New ways they had to adapt. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools that were essential in their life. However, the improvements in the tools took place over thousands of years. Improvements were there before thousands of years. It is called as evolution. Homo sapiens is the name used for humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. More intelligent man was Homo sapiens. We shall learn more about him later. We will see it later. The Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. They were neighbors for some time in Europe. It is believed that due to reasons like their conflict with Homo sapiens and inability to adapt the environmental changes, the Neanderthals became extinct. We have seen the rule of evolution. Those who are adapting the environmental change, they alive, and those who don't accept the environmental change, they extinct. Same thing happened with Neanderthals. They did not accept the environmental change, so they became extinct. On the basis of C14 dating, C shows carbon 14 dating. It is estimated that the Neanderthals became extinct about 30,000 years ago. See, 30,000 years ago they extinct. Homo sapiens, Homo sapiens, the human species that was more intelligent than any of the earlier species, was named Homo sapiens. In Europe, Homo sapiens is also known as Cro-Magnon man. Cro-Magnon man. Their remains have been found in the continent of Europe. The remains of Homo sapiens or Cro-Magnon man found in Europe, continent Europe, Asia and Africa. Homo sapiens made different kinds of tools and implements to suit the task they needed to do. They used to make stone blades and fix them in the grooves and notches made in wood or bone handles. With the help of wood and bone handle, they made the weapons. They fixed the stone blades and in the grooves. Homo sapiens had evolved to stage of having a fully developed larynx. Larynx means the part of body which makes sound, which could produce a range of sounds with subtle differences. Subtle differences means very small differences in the sound. Subtle differences. Their jaws and the muscles inside the mouth were well developed. See, inside the mouth, jaws and muscles were developed, and the tongue was flexible, and they had the flexible tongue. Hence, Homo sapiens could use them to produce a variety of sounds and modulate his voice the way he liked. They were modulating their voice. Using his imagination, he could give names to the different things he saw and could put his thoughts and feelings into words. They had started using words. They were using words to exchange their thoughts. Using these words, he could speak and communicate. In short, he had a well developed language system. Language developed in the time of Homo sapiens. He could draw pictures on the basis of actual observation as well as imagination. They started the drawing pictures. He even began to make artistic objects. That is why he has been named Homo sapiens, that is, intelligent man or thinking man. Homo sapiens means intelligent man or thinking man. More developed man is Homo sapiens. Next point, Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. Homo sapiens sapiens. Homo sapiens sapiens is the name given to the human as their capacity to think developed even further than that of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is more clever, intelligent man, but Homo sapiens sapiens had capacity to think developed even further than that of Homo sapiens. The capacity of their brain and their grasping power also developed further with time. We, the modern humans, are Homo sapiens sapiens. Homo sapiens sapiens. The appearance and the health characteristics of human beings indicates their similarity to their ancestors. Ancestors means before some generations. Ancestors means my face is like as my grandpa. That is, grandpa is the ancestors. This is known as heredity. My face structure is like as my grandpa, that is the heredity from the grandpa to me. Genetics is a science that studies heredity. Genetics is the one type of science which studies heredity. Genetic research has shown that we have inherited some traits of the Neanderthal man. Thus, it can be said that Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both ancestors of the modern human. Which are the ancestors of modern human? Human means we are. Then who are the ancestors of our Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens? Around 11,000 to 10,000 BC, Homo sapiens sapiens developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals. Cultivating land means farming, and keeping animals means how domestic animals we keep in that way. Because of their well-developed capacity of think, the speed at which they improved their technology increased with time. According to time, technology has increased. Best example is computer and mobiles. They began to live a more settled life. They lived in comfortable life. They began to grow food grains in the field. They started farming and they started to grow the food grains. As a result, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. So, in their food, carbohydrates increased. The changed lifestyle and diet affected the appearance of humans. Their body and face grew smaller than they had been in the earlier generations. As compared to earlier generations, their face grew smaller. Their body and face grew smaller. The name Homo sapiens sapiens reflected their intellectual and cultural rather than their physical power. All animals must necessarily meet their basic need for food. However, modern humans are not satisfied with only doing that much. Through their efforts, they enrich their lives using their creativity, intelligence, and skill. Human beings acquired a culture and continue to develop it. Human beings developed their lifestyle. Okay, there because of their intellectual level, because of their creativity, intelligence, and skills, human beings acquired a culture and continue to develop it. The technological and cultural progress achieved by modern humans after the beginning of agriculture and domestication of animals has been extremely rapid. Agriculture and domestication of animals increase extremely. It has increased because of the intellectual level of humans. The history of the evolution of humans that began from apes can be divided into various stages. In the following lessons, we shall learn about various facets of human culture at these different stages. So students, in this way we have finished this lesson. In this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy, and study well.